Hey there, I'm Yankel, head chef around here, and I am so excited to show you what to expect when your box arrives. Let's head in. The first thing you'll notice is this insulated cardboard lid that fits perfectly in the top of the box. The box is advanced thermal technology. We care a lot about environmental sustainability, so we designed this box with 95% recycled content, and it specifically is designed to keep meat cold during shipping. The next thing you'll notice is a bag for dry ice and another piece of insulation separating the dry ice from the meat. Each box is packed with the exact amount of dry ice needed for delivery to your zip code, so it's totally normal for the bag to come with no dry ice in it. If you do find dry ice in it, consult our FAQs for proper handling and disposal. Don't put it in the sink, and please don't touch it with your bare hands. All right, let's get to the meat. What do we have on top? Steaks, yes. Beautiful grass-fed, grass-finished, pasture-raised steaks, and I'm gonna cook one up as soon as possible. So I'm gonna put it into this bowl, which I'm gonna fill with cold water to defrost. Should take just about 30 minutes. Coming up next, we have beautiful, free-range, organic chicken breast. Comes always packed in 3s, which is great. I defrost and cook them all at once, and then my meals are prepped for the week. Easy. Oh, we've got a beautiful beef roast. That looks so good. These take 1 to 2 days to defrost, so I'm gonna put it right into the refrigerator. And I'm gonna put it into a container with a lip because sometimes at sub-zero temperatures, plastic gets a little bit brittle. If the box moves around during shipping, it could crack a little bit. So, next we have pork chops. These are amazing pork chops. Honestly, I did not love pork chops before ButcherBox, but this is heritage breed pork. It is marbled, juicy, delicious. It's so easy to cook. Really incredible stuff. And then what else do we have? Ground beef. This is the best ground beef around, in my opinion. I've never tasted better ground beef. The smaller items, they defrost really quickly, so I don't need to plan ahead. They're gonna go right into the freezer, and I'll pull them out as needed. While you're waiting for your box to arrive, go to the recipe pages on our website, explore a little bit. We have recipes for every cut. We have lots of cooking videos, all sorts of tips and tricks, everything you need to inspire you to make delicious, healthy, beautiful meals right out of the box. And of course, your box is 100% recyclable. But before you put it out, make sure you check out the sides because there's all sorts of useful information there. Well, I hope you're as excited as I am for your box to arrive. And remember, you can always email my team and I at kitchen@butcherbox.com with cooking questions, ideas, things you'd like to see. We are here to help and we love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and welcome to the ButcherBox family.